from non-academic. Are you a stuffed toy lover like I am? Well, then you must be knowing that stuffed toys get dirty easily. From here, from the back, from the face, and especially stuffed toys that are white in color. Well, what you have to do next is that first you have to put the stuffed toy in the washing machine, then take it out, keep it in the sun, let it dry, and if it's winter, then it takes weeks to dry. After that, you'll start noticing that the texture and the quality of the stuffed toy starts to get ruined. And after this, you'll be like, I'm not washing my stuffed toy ever again. Well, think of an easy and simple solution to this problem. How about a magic comb with magic soap, especially for stuffed toys? Well, like any other comb, it'll come like this. Then you have to twist the handle, put your refill soap in, twist it back, attach it again, then put some water and start combing your stuffed toy. The soap will automatically get absorbed with the stuffed toy. Then you have to soak your stuffed toy in the water, and after that, you have to take your stuffed toy out and keep it in the sun for 2 to 3 hours. Then your stuffed toy will be ready and will be as new as it was when you got it the first day. And this time, the texture and the quality won't be ruined. The texture and the quality will start gaining more. So I hope you like my video, but for now, bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.